Have you fallen in love with someone from another country? Are you excited but confused about where to begin the next steps for you to be able to start your lives together in the United States? Well, rest assured, you're in the right place. I'm here to give you clarity about something called a fiance visa. Before I dive in, I'd like to quickly introduce myself. I'm attorney Megan Pastrana from the immigration firm for couples. We are dedicated exclusively to helping couples all across the country and all across the world in navigating the US immigration process. So let's dive in. As I mentioned, I'm here to talk to you about something called a K-1 or a fiance visa. It's often referred to as a K-1 by itself, so maybe you've heard that term, but fiance visa has 4 general requirements, and that is what I would like to review with you today. So the first requirement is that the petitioner must be a United States citizen. And the petitioner is who will be filing the application to bring your fiance to the United States. So that's requirement number 1, that the petitioner is a United States citizen. And the second requirement is that you both have to have an intention. You and your fiance have to have an intention to get married within 90 days of entering the United States on a K-1 fiance visa. Requirement number 3 is that you have to both be legally free to marry. And what this means is that you aren't married to someone else and that any prior marriages have to have been formally terminated in a divorce or an annulment or sometimes death. So you have to both be legally free to marry each other. And then the final requirement is that both of you have had to have met in person, physically in person in the same place within the 2 years prior to filing the application. There are some limited exceptions for couples for cultural and social reasons that you could actually receive a waiver of that requirement. But in general, you have to have physically met in person in the 2 years prior to filing the application. I know that was a ton of information. We have a very detailed resource center at Immigration for Couples, where you can find even more information about fiance visas, watch this video again, and also download checklists of the steps that are involved in the fiance visa process. So I hope that provided you with some clarity. Thanks for watching.